Living with a ghost. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. I wish I hadn't done that. If only I had bought Bitcoin 10 years ago. Are you still replaying the same old movie in your head? You are wasting your precious energy on a ghost. The past is dead. It doesn't exist anymore. The only place it exists is in your memory. But you keep digging up the corpse, kissing it and crying over it. That is not reflection. That is necrophilia, obsession with the dead. You are the editor of your movie. Here is a mind-blowing truth. The past is not fixed. Sure, the events, facts are fixed. You went bankrupt. You got divorced. But the meaning, interpretation, is 100% up to you. You are the film editor. You can take that scene of failure and add sad violin music, making it a tragedy. Or you can add epic drum music, making it the training montage of a hero. Same footage, different movie. If you change the meaning of the past, you change the trajectory of the future. Connecting the dots. Steve Jobs said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards." That terrible thing that happened to you 5 years ago? Maybe that was the exact kick in the ass you needed to start your business. Maybe that breakup was the only way you could meet your true soulmate. If you label it bad luck, you stay a victim. If you label it necessary preparation, you become a master. Trust the script. The universe didn't punish you. It was positioning you. Amor Fati, love your fate. Nietzsche called this Amor Fati, love of fate. Don't just bear your past. Love it. Embrace every mistake, every scar, every shame. Because without those specific ingredients, the you of today would not exist. Your past is not a stain. It is your resume. Proves you survived. Go back to your mental editing room. Change the genre of your life from drama to action-adventure. In the next video, we will discuss how to optimize your brainwaves for success, alpha state and visualization. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.